What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have a lunch right now. I'm planning on filming at least 3 videos after that lunch, and then I am taking my friend out for drinks for his birthday, so you're just gonna get ready with me today. So typically I just run through my beauty routine. I don't want to do that with you guys today. I want to explain a little bit about why I do what I do or why I use what I use. So I haven't washed my hair in 2 days, nothing serious. So on days that I am not washing my hair, I love to use Batiste. I use the tropical one. It's my absolute favorite. I'm like actually sweating. I don't know why I'm freaking out. So skincare is really important to do ASAP before you do your makeup. You really want your skincare to soak into your face. So the first thing that I do in the morning is I take a makeup wipe and I just basically remove anything, any product that I had put on for my nighttime routine, and then I cleanse my face. Then I go in with a moisturizer and an eye cream, and that's it. And then I'm gonna go in with the MAC Fix Plus, the cucumber one. I love the scent. Ooh. It's just so calming and it feels so refreshing on my face. Because it's winter, I do have extremely dry skin right now, and no one wants to see makeup caking up in certain places or flaking off of your face. The next thing that I do is I go in with my Laneige, whatever. I go in with my lip sleeping mask. This is either my 3rd or 4th pot. I don't know why the lighting is so orange right now, but I swear by this stuff. If I keep looking at my phone, it's because I'm playing The Sims. If anyone else is a nerd like I am, let me know in the comment section. You guys know I'm the absolute worst with pronouncing things. It's a Lancome foundation. I don't know how to say it. It's ultra wear, sunscreen, SPF, up to 24-hour color, wear, and comfort, transfer resistant. It's definitely not transfer resistant. I will say that with, oh my god, I forgot my makeup sponge. I literally was just going like this, like, why is it not coming out? So with this foundation, I can really feel it on my skin. If you wear makeup, you gotta know what I'm saying, at least with some products you've tried. So I just applied the foundation right to the sponge. I always work from my left cheek to my right cheek to my forehead. I like to kind of put the product in the middle of my cheek and then work outward and then bring the product forward. I don't want as much product in the middle of my face because I add concealer, setting powder, like bronzer, and I just don't want to look cakey or overwhelm my skin. I did just get a hydrofacial yesterday, so not to brag, but I don't really need makeup right now. I feel like I failed to mention this, but the point of this video is I purchased extensions off of Amazon. So instead of me just like a 3-minute video reviewing extensions with you guys, I want to get ready with you and then put them in. But who knows if they'll even match me, honestly. I feel like my lighting is really weird today. I don't know why. I just look messy. If we're being honest, I look a little messy. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but every time that I get ready in the morning, I line up all of my products in the order that I use them. I know you can't see that obviously right now, and I'm not gonna show you because I'm too busy playing The Sims on my phone to film it. Loser. So I like to do that. That way I don't miss a step, and that way when I'm done with it, I put it right back where it's supposed to go so it's not messy. So I just picked up this new concealer. It's the Tarte Creaseless concealer. I was using Tarte Shape Tape and it was way too drying on my eyes. Going on, it feels very thick. You definitely don't need a lot of product. So I'm not sure how it's so hydrating because it feels extremely tacky and you have to work quick with it. So I use the IT Brushes, IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Concealer, number 103. I do not use a beauty blender for my concealer anymore. I love the way that a brush blends out a lot better. I feel like it's not soaking up all of that product. So this concealer definitely is heavier. It's tacky, but my under eyes really don't crease, and like look how much that just brightened that up. It's wild. And I only do one eye at a time because like I just said, this product you kind of have to move, at least I have to move quickly for it. I don't feel like as it sits on my skin it's warming up and it's easier to blend by any means. It definitely gets tacky. Another new product that I'm using is the Kylie Cosmetics setting powder. I use it in soft pink. This is for fair to pale skin, so makes sense. And I'm going in with a Morphe M438 brush, and I am just going to lightly, I wouldn't even say pack it on, but lightly place it so that I'm not moving around the concealer. For concealer, I am using the shade 10B Fair Beige. I'm definitely a less is more person now with my makeup, so I don't even pencil in my eyebrows at the moment. So I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow Plus in, I think it's 4, and just brush up my eyebrows. So now I'm going to go in with bronzer to just lightly contour my face. Not even contour, but warm it up, obviously carve it out a little bit. So I'm still using the Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer. This is 104. I love it. I've been using it for, God, a couple months now, and I haven't even hit pan yet. Like, look how much product is in there. So for my cheeks, for my cheek area, I use the Morphe R10 brush. I also, this is just a tip, I like to position my face where I see the natural shadow. I clearly have a line, well now I definitely do, but even over here you can see where the shadow is. So I like to just focus the product right above that to really cut it out. I don't know why I want to be so natural, but then I want this area to be really cleaned up. So I go back in with my setting powder and the brush that I used on my under eyes. And when I use powder, I lightly use powder. So I'm just going to do a quick line underneath my cheek and let that sit while my under eyes are sitting as well. So now that I am content with how my cheeks look, I go in with the Morphe R2 brush. So now that I warmed up my face, I'm just going to, I guess, chisel out my jaw a little bit, and then I bring it down to my neck area so that the shadows just match. I really hope these extensions work out because that's like all I'm really giving myself time for to get ready for this lunch. So this is a cult favorite. It's Nars Orgasm. I have had the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso for so long, and I finally hit pan. And I'm like, you know what? Get a new blush, Erin. It's about time. Blushing bride. So now that I'm done, I'm just going to dust away whatever setting powder I had on. It is so light, so I'm not gonna go in and like heavily move this around. I am just gonna kind of like blend everything together so it's seamless. This is Morphe E41 powder brush. Not having to do mascara is a blessing. So Urban Decay All Nighter, you guys have all seen this before. I'm just going to, I was gonna say lightly spritz my face, but I don't think it's very light. It just feels, oh my God, it feels so good. Like when you're sweating at Six Flags and then you walk through that mister. Damn! So the extensions that I'm going to be using today are the Full Shine 18-inch 10 pieces, 120 grams of full set clip-in hair extensions, ombre, balayage, human hair clip-in, human hair extensions, color number 2, fading to color number 6, number 18, ash blonde hair extensions, human hair. To me, these images looked good. They are $98, not counting the 10%. I think I ordered them honestly 2 days ago. They came in yesterday, so they came right away. I did purchase a set of extensions that are even cheaper. I think they were like $30, $20, $40, I don't know. I'll review those when they come in. So here we have them. I guess they look kind of spot on actually. Honestly, I'm upset. Like, for $98, this is nothing. This is like literally no hair. I purchased Foxy Locks extensions, God, going on 2 years ago. It smells like paint. So they smell like they were literally painted, not even dyed. It does feel good. The hair does feel good, but there's not a lot here at all. I can't believe they're saying this is 10 pieces. So I purchased Foxy Locks extensions 2 years ago, and unfortunately my dumbass tried to dye them myself because I have a different hair color every 6 months. Didn't work out. Didn't work out. They literally have cheetah spots right now. And that came with like hair. That had so much hair. And I don't think it was much more expensive than this. Like, this is nothing. So it definitely blends well. Actually, the color is spot on. I'm really disappointed, guys. Look how thin that is. What do you guys think about the color? Color really is spot. I will say that the color is legit spot on. Am I biting my tongue? Am I like slowly loving them? I can't get over the paint smell. Oof, I don't know how I feel, guys. It's like if you're looking for a little bit of length, yeah, this is it. I don't know. Just, they smell like paint, so you're gonna have to wash them immediately. The color does match. Like, I can't get over how well the color matches, especially for me guessing on Amazon. Hopefully my makeup tutorial was worth this video because the extensions weren't. I'm up in the air. I'm up in the air. I really don't know how I feel. By the time I upload this video, edit and upload, you guys will know if I kept them or not, because I will curl them, I'll play around with them, but yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.